Hi everybody, today we'll be discussing about the partial question of SP015 Physics Module, page 24, question number 2. So let us read the question. A train initially at rest accelerates uniformly until its speed reaches 8 meters per second in 25 seconds. For the next 200 seconds, the train continues its journey with constant speed before it slows down uniformly and comes to a complete stop in 20 seconds. Question I. Sketch a label graph of speed versus time for the whole journey. As you can see, the graph is already drawn on the screen, so let me explain why the graph is being drawn like this. So from the question, we know that the train is initially at rest, so which means that at 0 second, the train will also be at 0 meter per second until the train will accelerate uniformly to 8 meter per second in 25 seconds. So the train will travel from 0 meter per second to 8 meter per second for 0 second to 25 seconds. So we will just draw a straight line from 0 to 8 meter per second for 0 to 25 second. So for the next 200 seconds, the train will continue its journey with constant speed. So which means that the train will remain at 8 meter per second from 25 second to 225 seconds. So we will just draw a horizontal straight line for that time of period. And after that, for the next 20 seconds, the train will slow down uniformly and comes to a complete stop. So the train will travel from 8 meter per second to 0 meter per second from 225 to 245 seconds. So we will just draw a straight line from 8 meter per second to 0 meter per second. So that's all for question 1. So for question number 2, calculate the acceleration of the train for the 3 parts of the journey. So from the graph in question number 1, we know that the 3 parts of the journey are 0 to 25 seconds, 25 to 225 seconds, and 225 to 245 seconds respectively. So for the first part, 0 to 25 seconds, we know that A is equal to gradient of the speed time graph. And the formula for gradient is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it will be 8 minus 0 divided by 25 minus 0. So the answer for the first part will be 0.32 meter per second square. So for the next part, which is 25th to 255th second, A is equal to 8 minus 8 divided by 225 minus 25. So the acceleration for that time of period is 0. Why is it 0? Because for that time of the period, the train is travel at a constant speed. So there is no change in speed. So the acceleration for that time of period will be 0. And for the last part, which is 225 second to 245 second, the acceleration will be 0 minus 8 divided by 245 minus 225, and the answer will be negative 0.4 meter per second squared. And that's all for question 2. And now for the last question, which is question number 3, determine the total distance traveled by the train. So now let us look back to the graph in question number I. We know that the total distance traveled is equal to area under the VT graph. So from the graph, we know that the shape of the graph is a trapezium. So the formula of the area of trapezium is 1 over 2 times the sum of the top base and the bottom base times height. So it is 1 over 2 times bracket 225 minus 25 for the top base plus 245 for the bottom base times 8 for the height. So the answer will be 1780 meters. And that's all for the question 2 for the past year question in SP015 Physics module. Thank you.